So, kindly parinig natin. Dito ako para kita ng lahat. Mahirap pag nandito ninyo kasi natatanaw eh. Okay? Then, pahina na, Mr. DJ. Pahina na. Pahina na. Okay. So, ito, first step. First step is called the hand dryer. So, paano yung hand dryer? Okay? So, paano ba mag-dry ng hand sa hand dryer? Ayan, siya. Malapit-lapit sa ganyan na step. So, this is what we're going to do. First step is this. You do this. 1, 2, and then face here. Gawin natin mirror image, ha? If I face here, you guys have to face here. Clear? Okay? So, first you have to wave. You go 1, come on. And then 2. Bye, Miss Andres. Thank you very much. Yes, it's the shy Abby. It's the shy, very shy Abby. Thank you for coming. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, you start with 1, and then 1, and the hand dryer. You start with hands facing you, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, clear? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Ready? Go. 1, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ayan, ito na. May ituturo ako sa inyo. Ginagamit namin ito sa training. Pag tinanong ko kayo, is it easy? Ang sagot ninyo sa akin, 1 foot forward, your right foot forward. Tapos, parang mayabang. Okay? Parang mayabang. And when I ask you, is it easy? Ang sagot nyo ay, easy. Okay? Is it easy? Easy. Okay. So that's the first step. Second step. Second step is trip and roll. Okay, how is trip and roll? So, parang kayo nato pa. Okay, so you move step forward and then parang nag-trip. Okay? So, step forward, then trip, and then back. Okay? Step forward, then trip, and then back, and then roll. Roll. Okay? Ngayon, ang roll, palabas. Huwag na ganyan, iba na yun. Okay? So, kailangan palabas. Okay? Oh, iba na yun pag maganyan. So, kailangan palabas. Okay? So, let's trip and roll. Let's try it. Okay? Ready? Go! Trip! Step forward, trip, back, and roll, roll, roll. Okay? That's the second step. Third step. Donna Cruz 2011. Paano ang Donna Cruz 2011? Yan, malapit-lapit. Oh, alam niyo ito, step ng Donna Cruz. Okay? Ibahin natin ng konti. With your hands this way. Okay? And feet apart, a little feet apart, and then you go heartbeat, heartbeat. Okay? Heartbeat, heartbeat. Okay? So, heartbeat, heartbeat, and then wave. So, yung parang pusa na maliit na yun. Wave and wave. Okay? So, again, you do the heartbeat, 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 and wave, Okay? Natatandaan pa ba yung mga steps? So, let's try to review. Hay, mga hindi uminom ng Memo Plus Gold. Okay? First step. Again, the first step is, hand dryer. So, let's do it again. Ready? So, the first step would be here and then ganito, So, right and left. Okay, ready? Go. Hand dryer. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, is it easy, my friends? Okay, second step, trip and roll. Trip and roll, okay? So, trip and roll. Ready? Go. Step, trip, back, and roll. Roll. Okay, very good. Is it easy, my friends? Okay. Third step, Donna Cruz 2011. So, ulit, heartbeat. So, ready? Go. Heartbeat, heartbeat, wave, wave. Ang ganda yung tignan pag nagwe-wave lang. Promise, wala dito. Okay, last step. Okay, is the bouncing clock. So how do you do the bouncing clock? You do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So medyo nagbabounce nyo, medyo lalagyan nyo ng body. Ay, tampo ang microphone. So lagyan nyo ng body. Konting alog. Yan. Pag hindi nyo kayang sabayan ng katawan, kamayin nyo na lang. Okay? Okay? So that's the last step, bouncing clap. Okay? So is it easy, my friends? Now let's do it with the music. Okay, let's do it with the music. So, Daniel, kindly, yung first louder, first louder.
I'm standing out of my window, and the rain is pouring down. When you left, I was so low, but I'm not.
Keep it low, go! Jim, back and forth. Step, Jim, back and forth. Step, Jim, back and forth. Okay, get ready with Donna Cruz 2011. Go, Harley! Okay.
Marami pa kang kumakain, taas nga ng kamay nang hindi pa tapos kumain. Hindi pa ready?
Ha?
Hindi pa ready.
Oo, pwede na siguro simulan.
Okay. Kahit may mga kumakain pa, makikiusap lang kami na makigulo kayo kasi ang susunod nating bahagi ay roll call. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin ng roll call, tatawagin namin ang pangalan niyo. Pag nandito kayo, kailangan lang kayong tumayo para makita natin. This will give time sa mga kumakain pa na sarapan ng paguyan. Okay?
Okay.